Hi guys, welcome to the headlines. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim and this is Crypto Bin 101, the home of value and cryptocurrency trading and investment when it comes to crypto. Right now, let's check out what's happening in the news quickly before we can know what is going on in the market. And the first news on the radar now is Binance CEO considering buying banks. I think this guy thinks he's now some kind of Wall Street and he thinks he can just lay his hand on anything, but we wish him well. Another news on the radar is Federal Reserve announces 75 BPS rate hike. Bitcoin rocket to 2,600 before we saw it starting returning down. Also, another news on the radar is MoneyGram to enable US customer to trade and store Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we can see right here, according to a press release on Tuesday, November 1st, MoneyGram introduced a new feature that will allow customers to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The company plans to add more cryptos asset to its platform come 2023. Also, let's check another news out. JP Morgan execute first DeFi trade on public blockchain, and we can also see Switzerland financial regulator extend reporting requirement for crypto transaction. And for Metas, we have Meta's Instagram plans NFT minting trading tools. I think we're going to be seeing a lot of that happening on Instagram and on Twitter very soon. We know Meta is all about metaverse and all of that, and we now know Elon Musk bought Twitter and is said to be doing the most on it. And don't forget the $8 price you'll be paying if you are verified monthly. All right, back to the news. We can see that Coinbase chief product officer step down, time to get off the ride. And talking about step down, we saw a lot of CEO doing that a couple of months ago. Elon Musk teases Dogecoin integration for Twitter, and that's why I've been seeing Dogecoin skyrocketing. But you need to watch our show so you know if you need to get onto the bandwagon. Musk's Twitter reform could damage the blue checks anti-scam rule, and Ethereum founder Vitalik says so. So we need to watch out for that also. And we have Bitcoin tumbles with stock following the Fed chair remark on inflation. And we saw what happened yesterday. Yes, the rate wasn't increased, but now the comments and the tools, the Fed poet saying the inflation is still on the rise and they can't say to sharply go down right now. We saw what happened. Stock was appreciating, BTC was appreciating, and they turned down immediately. All right, another news on the radar is OpenSea now auto detect and block stolen NFT and disable scam links. And I think that's a good one. Another news that is very important on the headline is Robinhood's crypto revenue declined 12% to 51 million in Q3, and that's Robinhood in America. You know, a lot of people are using it to buy cryptos and all of that. If you don't want to use Binance and all of that, United States. 3 crypto ETF to delist in Australia as crypto winter continues. Talking about crypto winter, we're talking about the bearish that has been happening in the past. Another headline is Bitcoin will not reach 100K. That's Elias Elrain says he is not the owner of Bitcoin. He doesn't create Bitcoin, but we're going to see in the nearest future. And let's talk about Visa Crypto.com partner to launch new NFT collection ahead of FIFA World Cup. We know FIFA World Cup is coming very soon, and we're going to be seeing a lot of NFT projects running on it. You need to be careful. And let's check out one more NFT. Art Global spike to 5,000 ETH in volume as NFT collector buy in. So thanks for joining me on the headlines this morning, and that's what we have for you. Stick around and watch more of our videos, and maybe you can get more to see what we're going to share on the headline. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, and I'll catch you on another episode of the headline. Peace out.